Making money online might seem daunting, but it is not that complicated. There are many options to creatively make money online. Here are 8 ways you can use the internet to either make a living or earn some extra cash. 1. Start a niche blog and leverage affiliate marketing. Blogging is one of the easiest ways for making money online. Through your blog, you can make money through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you earn commission for generating traffic or sales to a retailer you have partnered with. 2. Start an e-commerce website and sell products online. If you think you can produce a product that people want, then starting an e-commerce site might be a great way for you to make money. Through e-commerce, you will be able to sell products directly to consumers with no middle person. If you don't have your own products, you can also consider selling products that aren't your own through dropshipping. By dropshipping, you offer products for sale on your website. You can purchase the products from a third party then ship it directly to the customer. The major benefit of dropshipping is that you don't need to purchase products upfront. You don't need to purchase any product until you get paid by the customer. 3. Find freelance jobs. If you enjoy working on multiple projects, then freelancing is a great option for you to make money from home. You can freelance any sort of skill without having to commit to any project for too long. These are some solid platforms to find jobs for freelancers. Upwork 99 Designs, Fiverr, TaskRabbit, Skyward, Freelancer.com. 4. Teach English online. Teaching online is attractive because it is relatively easy to start. All that you need is to be a fluent English speaker and in some cases, maybe any post-secondary school degree. Once you have that, it is all about finding the right platform. 5. Start a YouTube channel. Of all the ways to make money online, this is probably the boldest. The most important step in starting a YouTube channel is figuring out why. Consider why should anyone watch what you're producing. YouTube is a highly saturated platform. For that reason, you must start with the differentiator. Check out the links below to learn how to create YouTube channel and how to upload videos. 6. Do jobs on Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk, MTurk, is essentially a crowdsourcing site. It allows businesses to hire remote workers temporarily to complete tasks virtually. These tasks usually involve research, conducting surveys or validating data. If you're between jobs and looking to make a few extra dollars, this would be a great option. 7. Complete online surveys. This is a low-stress way to make money online. Time is all that is required, and even that is usually minimal. That also means that you shouldn't expect to make this a lot from it. Some surveys don't even pay in cash but will give you points that you can redeem at specific outlets. 7. Complete online surveys. Etsy has made its name as one of the premier destinations for crafts, unique vintage products and handmade items. They operate more like a community for creators and small business owners interested in rare pieces that can't be purchased in traditional stores or on larger consumer shopping sites. If you have a talent for creating your own work, be it visual art, postcards, photography, accessories, then Etsy is the right platform. Subscribe for more.